Another good side dish that you can bring to a barbecue is a salad, because not only do you look like a hero for being healthy and bringing a salad, but you will have it all to yourself, because nobody's going to eat that. I'm going to do another video on vegetables, but here's a quick demonstration of my favorite healthy salad dressing. Put a couple tablespoons of olive oil, about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you like pepper, you can put some pepper. A little bit of salt and some garlic powder. Just stir that up and pour it over the salad. Now I'm going to toss my salad. Then I like to top it off with some nutritional yeast. This stuff not only tastes good, but it has a bunch of vitamins and minerals that you need on the ketogenic diet, especially if you're just starting out. It's going to help avoid the keto flu and all that stuff. And it's good. It's a perfect salad topping. And then you can add whatever other toppings that you want. Avocado, pecans, cheese, or just eat it like this. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, till next time, thanks for watching. This has been Cooking with Me. I've been me, and I hope you've been you. Oh, wow.
Cooking with me. Cooking with me. Doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.